No matter what the weather, Lexpro will make it better. Heating and air with Lexpro.
Hey everyone, Deidre Ransdell shopping the Bluegrass today with David Foster of Lexpro Mechanical. David, how are you doing?
Great, thank you.
Good. Well, there's so many businesses here in town. How did you guys at Lexpro get started?
Well, we saw that there was a need in the community and we wanted to stand out from the rest. I've noticed that our community needs and deserves a company that will first listen to what they have to say and then provide solutions that will not only meet their expectations but exceed them. At Lexpro, it's not about what we can get or even what we gain from the customer. It's about how we can serve them, to provide solutions for their needs and to have a long-lasting, trusted relationship.
Lexpro is a family-owned business, and I know that they are concerned about the families of the community, and they really seemed concerned about the comfort of my family.
So David, what exactly is a comfort specialist?
It's somebody that provides more than just a heating and air conditioning system. It's somebody that provides the full solution, which involves not just the air that you feel, but the air that you breathe, the moisture in the air, the cleanliness of it, the purity of it.
Well, David, I know you all at Lexpro are a full-service company, so you also provide maintenance. Why is that important?
Well, it's like driving your car. You wouldn't drive your car for 150,000 miles and not change your oil in the car. Your heating and air conditioning system needs to be maintained. There's two types of maintenance you can have done to a system, a checkup and a tune-up. We prefer a precision tune-up because it is thoroughly involved and actually will make a difference in the way your system operates, and there's a whole vast amount of benefits of it.
Well, David, I know everyone wants clean air in their homes. How do they contact you guys at Lexpro?
Well, they can either contact us at our office at 219-1880 or on the website at lexpromechanical.com.
Sounds great. Deidre Ransdell shopping the Bluegrass today with David Foster of Lexpro Mechanical.
219-1880. 219-1880.
Carrier, turn to the experts.